Good morning. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation, where we will be experiencing holding on to the Spirit. As always, we start with the prayer protection, the Lord's Prayer, and then we move into a guided meditation. And this time, because I'm back in my office, we will chime when the quiet time is over, giving you a chance to know I'm going to start speaking again. Then we will come out of the meditation with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Exhale your breath as far as you can before inhaling. And when you inhale, take a deep inhale, exhale slowly, and invite yourself to relax. Please say the prayers with me if you know them, or repeat them after me. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Let's take our time and scan our body using our mind's eye for any place that is uncomfortable, where there's tension, where there's a little pressure. And when you find those places, invite your body to let go, to release, and to relax. Our body follows our mind. So we simply need to ask our bodies to relax and let go. And let us go deeper into thought, into ourselves. Notice running through you is this brilliant light, this brilliant stream of energy. Just scan around the inside and you'll see this column of perfect, pure, glorious white. It is so brilliant. Now it might be very thin, it might be very wide, it might take up most of your body, but it's in there. Because we are always being held by the Spirit. We're always being nurtured by God. Let us approach this beam of light and allow our consciousness to step into it like you're stepping into a waterfall. Feel it now. Don't just see it. Feel it running through you. And we're going to hold on to this energy within us. And we're going to expand it to encompass our whole body. So start to allow it to grow. And it grows with appreciation. So let us begin to appreciate the energy itself, the unconditional love and peace flowing through us in spite of us. Let us be grateful for all that we do have. Let us be grateful for all the crosses and troubles we don't have, that our neighbors have, that our family members have. How fortunate we are that we don't suffer what everybody else is suffering. We have our own, but it could be worse. And let us be thankful and grateful for the strength we have to get through our difficult crosses, and our issues. And notice the more thankful, the more soft you become, the larger this light inside of us expands. Be grateful for your loved ones. Imagine one of them in front of you. It's okay, pick a favorite. And just see them and be so thankful and grateful they're in your life. And watch how much more this light grows within you. Allow this to continue. Allow it to move right out of you and around you. Allow this light to surround you, that you're filling with gratitude for at least 3 feet. And then let's just bask in it and listen for any messages that are meant to be heard. Now there is no need to pull this beautiful light back. It is there for us always. So let us leave it there where we can hold on to it anytime during the day. In fact, take a moment and move some of it out into your future, into today, blessing it before your day begins. Or for those of you who are listening later in the day, just blessing the next 24 hours. Let us bring our consciousness back into the present, leaving that beautiful light, and closing with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. I keep hearing like little puffs of air. Sorry. Join us tonight, Chris and I. We are going to be doing manifestation, and I promise you it'll be a blast. Make sure you register. If you are not inside the webinar, one of the 100 people the webinar can hold, we cannot answer your questions. It becomes too much. We try to answer them after the show on Facebook, but to get them answered during the show, specific questions either about manifestation or something going on in your own life that's manifesting and you don't understand, get in that webinar. It is on the Into Intuition Facebook page. Just click it on. Have a great day and a blessed day. Bye-bye.